GL Plus Review. Does it help you lose weight? So GL Plus, also known as GLP-1 Plus by Advanced Bionutritionals, is a marketed natural dietary supplement aimed at the appetite control and the weight management. It uses ingredients like the glucovantage berberine, chromium picolinate, and Gymna sylvestra, which is an ingredient believed to mimic the GLP-1 hormone activity. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It contains a plant-based ingredients known to support blood sugar stability. It also have a reported of high user satisfaction, rating around 4.6 to 5 stars. They also have non-stimulant, potentially gentle and suitable for daily use without the jittery side effects. Although there might be some cons to consider. It has scientific evidence, but it is very limited. There are unregulated reclaims and possibility variabilities, and they have a potential side effects, especially the gastrointestinal style, and then there's no clinical trials on a specific product. So overall, it's likely safe and may help moderate appetite and support weight management when used alongside the healthy diet and the exercise routines. However, it's not a substitute for prescriptions like the GLP-1 medications.